Procedural automaticity versus novelty. Take a moment to consider this question, and then think about your answer. I'm sure you didn't have to think very long. I'm sure as soon as you read this, an image of a rectangular prism and the equation volume equals length times width times height came to your mind. The reason for this is procedural automaticity. It means the memorization of a set of steps leading to the ability to implement a procedure automatically to produce a result regardless of level of understanding. Meaning that you do this automatically without thinking it, because over the course of your schooling, you've been exposed to this so many times, starting as young as 3rd grade, and have seen this problem over and over and over to the point where you truly just memorize it and associate the rectangular prism with the volume equation. A teacher presents this information, models it, has students practice it with guidance, and has them practice it on their own. And over time, they build the procedural automaticity. Typical standardized tests in schools have assessed procedural automaticity. But as we know, things are changing. With the new standards, and now, along with new standardized tests, procedural automaticity is not enough. We now want students to be able to apply their knowledge and to really be able to do more than just regurgitate a problem and a solution, but to actually be able to take real-world problems and apply solutions based on the need of that real-world problem. This is called novelty. Novelty is really about the ability to respond appropriately and successfully to novel situations. Without understanding, you can't solve problems for which there are not known easy solutions. Procedural automaticity won't get you there. As standardized tests are evolving, fewer and fewer questions address procedural automaticity, and more are assessing novelty. So in order to become a successful student in today's ever-changing world, we need our students to begin to learn to be these novel thinkers and move away from just procedural automaticity, and therefore moving into novelty.